Automatic 4-head magnetic pump liquid filling machine. Using stainless steel gear pump for filling, easy to clean and change tubes. Straight line bottle feeding design, great packaging material, compatibility, adaptable to many types of bottles. Automatic sensing of incoming and outgoing bottles. The number of filling bottles can be set. Automatic negative pressure vacuum bowl can seaming machine. The equipment is specially designed for the sealing of meat food cans, seafood, canned food. After sealing, it is in a negative pressure state and can be used for cooking. The can body does not rotate during the sealing process, which is safer. It is suitable for product sealing of template cans, aluminum cans, plastic cans, and iron cans. It is an ideal packaging equipment for pet food, seafood products, canned fish, and other industries.